The survival rate of people with tumors is directly proportional to the oxygen status in the tumors. EWOT is very anti-cancer because, as you mentioned, oxygen is very anti-cancer. In the 1920s, Otto Warburg discovered that he could turn any regular cell into a cancer cell simply by starving it of oxygen. There's been a ton of research on this throughout the years that have shown the link between oxygen and cancer. What cancer actually does is it turns off our oxygen metabolism using regular respiration, aerobic respiration with oxygen, and it switches those cells to anaerobic respiration, which is burning glucose without any oxygen. What happens when we go anaerobic is it creates all sorts of metabolic waste products like lactic acid. So you often hear about how cancer acidifies the body. This is one of those primary acids that causes this. Then the body, as intelligent as it is, it tries to overcome this lack of oxygen by growing new blood vessels into the tumor. But cancer, smarter still, it hijacks that and it uses those new blood vessels to actually metastasize and send cancer cells to other parts of our body. If you look at the research, the survival rate of people with tumors is directly proportional to the oxygen status in the tumors. And the reason for that is whether you're using traditional treatments or non-traditional treatments, even traditional treatments require oxygen to oxidize the cancer. Oxidization is basically a chemical reaction that helps destroy the cancer, but chemotherapy and radiation will not work in the absence of oxygen.